We, of course, have the management of TVS as well to talk to us about the latest launch.
Oh, absolutely. They too are a newsmaker today. In fact, they've just launched the new Jupiter 110cc scooter priced at 73,700 rupees. That's ex-showroom price. The company said that it's going to be closely monitoring the CNG segment in the two-wheeler space and is confident of doing better than industry overall scooter segment as well. In fact, let me welcome on board Mr. K. Radhakrishnan, the CEO at TVS Motor Company. Mr. Radhakrishnan, so good to have you today on ET Now. Thank you for taking the time out. Now, you've launched this new scooter, Jupiter, today. Tell me, what's the target segment? How big is the market for this? And how much is it that you've spent for its development?
See, we are looking at very clearly the current Jupiter customer segment where most of the people are commuting customers. And as we see as Jupiter from 2013, the age group has been coming down. So initially it started at 30, now less than 30. And we are extremely happy that we have more than 6.5 million customers in Jupiter. And this new next-gen platform, what we have completely designed and developed, it has got completely new, unparalleled design, performance, comfort, and convenience. And this is definitely going to give customer a high delight because it has got more than 15 features which are first in class, starting from innovative iGo assist with 10% more mileage, fully digital console, LED headlamps, infinity lamps, front fuel fill, and as you know, the double helmet space, emergency brake warning, distance to empty, plenty. These are all first in segment, and very clearly, it gives an engine which is lightweight, with compact and body balance technology 2.0. So I can keep repeating the kind of features, technology what we have given here. It is really standing for that Zyada ka Fayda, which we started as Jupiter platform when we started in 2013. This is definitely going to delight the customer. I'm extremely happy that we are adding more value to our customers. We have invested something like 150 crores in coming up with this complete new product.
Okay, so clearly a lot of features coming in there, but what are the export plans for this product? Are you looking at perhaps tapping into that market as well?
See, currently, I would like to put it this way that in total we are about 1 million in terms of scooter per year. We have 4 brands starting from Zest, then Jupiter 110, then Jupiter 125, and in the sporty segment we have Ntorq. The 1 million what I spoke about is in India. Okay, I just want to give you a perspective. The last 10 years, the two-wheeler industry grew by 4%, scooter category grew by 8%, and TVS scooter grew by 12%. Okay, in the scooter of 12% growth in TVS, Jupiter category grew almost 24%. And we want to maintain or better this kind of a growth rate in India. And the international, Asia market is one of the best markets. Now we have started, many other markets where our scooters are doing well, especially the Jupiter 125 and Jupiter 110. We are very confident. Currently, we do about 10,000 numbers. I'm very confident that this is going to help us do much better in many markets, including Asia, ASEAN, and some of the markets like Turkey, some of the markets in LATAM. So this portfolio is going to really, really delight the customer, even in the global markets.
Right. The other thing I wanted to talk about is if you could just give us a breakup of what the demand patterns are like for both urban as well as the rural segment for two-wheelers, and how is it that the respective markets are doing currently?
Yeah, two-wheelers, if you look at this year, the CAGR, not the CAGR, the growth rate, the Vahan growth rate, let me put it that way, from April to July, first time we have seen more than 13% the total two-wheeler growth. And first time we are seeing rural doing little better than urban. Rural is more than 14%. Urban is about 12%. So rural, for the first time post-COVID, I'm very happy it is coming back. Again, the normal monsoon is definitely positive. And this trend of this 13% is likely to continue this year. And as you know, we have done much better than this growth of 13%. And scooters, with the introduction of new next gen, this Jupiter 110, we are expected to do much, much better. And if you ask me the rural urban proportion, currently rural is slightly ahead of the total two-wheeler, let us say 100. 52% comes from rural, 48 is from urban.
Okay, so that's the urban and the rural kind of divide. But festive season, that's around the corner. What's been the preparation like? Are you expecting it to be a bumper one? And is there a price rise on the cards ahead of that for the two-wheelers? Do you think you have the pricing power to do that?
We are really looking forward to the festival, because I'm of the view, if the current run rate is 13%, festival is going to be much higher in terms of the industry. And we believe in giving better value to the customer. If you look at Jupiter 110 or Ntorq or Zest or Jupiter 125, it is the best in class value addition to the customer. Okay. I think what is more important is we have to give more value to the customer than looking at just mere discounting.
Right. And what are your plans on the EV as well as the CNG front? Curious to know.
See, EV, iQube is doing extremely well. As you have seen, we have offered 3 battery options starting from 2.2 kilowatts, 3.4 and 5.1. And iQube customers are really delighted. And we will continue the journey and we will have huge momentum going forward. I'm pretty confident on iQube. We will come up with another product on the EV side soon. Okay. And in terms of technology, you know, we have a very strong R&D team. So you have seen ICE, you have seen EV. Okay. CNG, we are closely monitoring. I have full confidence on our design and development team, engineering team. Okay. We will take an appropriate call at the right time. We have a very strong product pipeline planned this year. The first of it is launched today. You will see the EV product coming soon, and we will also have an EV three-wheeler.
Okay, so that's the plan with EV. We wait patiently to see what you have in store for us. Thanks so much for joining us today with that latest update coming in on the new launch, plus what else is in the pipeline.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.